Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by finding the right Z crystal in Cobblemon's world or looted chests during exploration. You must hold that Z crystal in your bag so the game recognizes it. Make sure the crystal matches one of your Pokémon's move types exactly. Also remember, Cobblemon allows only one Z move per battle when conditions are met. Check that your Pokémon already knows the base move that the Z crystal will empower. These are the prerequisites you need before ever entering a combat. Before battle, equip the matching Z crystal by placing it in your active bag slot. Verify your Pokémon currently knows the base move that the crystal upgrades into a Z move. Keep the Z crystal accessible and not stored in a chest or box. Enter battles with the crystal visible in your inventory so the battle UI can enable the Z move option. Remember that status changes and move selection rules still apply during the turn you use the Z move. Plan the timing so you get maximum impact. During combat, watch the battle UI for the Z move prompt that appears over eligible moves. When the prompt shows, select the base move and choose the Z move variation to execute it. Use the Z move on the same turn you select it. The effect triggers immediately upon selection. Plan the move to either finish a priority threat or boost a key strategy like a sweep or defensive pivot. Once you use a Z move, you cannot use another one in that same battle. Conserve it for maximum benefit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.